In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Nike promo code. So let's get started. So Nike is a very popular multinational brand and it's everywhere around the world. And it sells all type of clothing, shoes and etc. So now you might be wondering whether you can get a discount while purchasing from Nike. Well, yes, you can. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search of Google and then put in Nike promo code and hit enter. So once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see a website. So I'm going to show you an example. So I'm going to go on this website, for example. Alright, so as you guys can see, now it's going to show me many options. So for example, extra 20% off all items with this promo code. So I'm going to click on this. So that's the promo code. So if I copy it and I go and enter this on my checkout, I'm going to get a 20% off. Similarly, you can scroll down and see the other options as well. So now let's say up to 50% off sale items for men and women. So I'm gonna click on that. So what is it? So if you for this the coupon is not required. This is automatically there on the website right now available. So that's why you don't need a coupon for this. Now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more examples. So I'm gonna scroll down, and this website Los Angeles Times is a very popular one for coupon codes. So I'm gonna click on it. Alright. So 20% off Nike promo code. So I'm gonna click and see the coupon. So if you use this coupon summer, you're gonna get a 20% off. You can scroll down and see another coupon right here, $10 off Nike promo code. So if you use this code, you get a $10 off. So again, it's summer. I'm just gonna scroll down. Okay, 50% off. And it's auto applied. You can go down and see many other options, and whatever feels you good, you can choose that one. So that's how you can use promo codes for Nike. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.